We'll guide you through how to use the Printify API to streamline your print-on-demand business. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the settings section in your dashboard. Here, you'll find the API and Developers tab, which is where you can access your API keys. Click on it, and you'll see an option to generate a new API key. Hit the Generate API Key button, and make sure to copy and store this key safely, as you'll need it to authenticate your API requests. Next, you need to set up your development environment to start making requests. You can use tools like Postman or CURL to test your API calls. Open your tool of choice and set the base URL to the Printify API endpoint, which is HTTPS calls. Open your tool of choice and set the base URL to the Printify API endpoint, which is HTTPS calls/API printify.com.v1. Now you can start with a simple GET request to fetch your shop details. In your API tool, set up a GET request to HTTPS calls/API printify.com.v1 shops.json and include your API key in the headers under the authorization field. This should return a list of your connected shops. From here, you can explore other endpoints listed in the Printify API documentation to manage products, orders, and more. If you run into any issues, check the API documentation for detailed explanations of each endpoint and the required parameters. Make sure to handle any errors gracefully in your application code to ensure a smooth user experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.